Oh, there you go. It's kinda tumuloy.
Hi guys! Nice to be back here.
Hi na! How nice! You're a guest tonight, DJ Tado.
Because it's a Sunday night party.
Oh, yeah. So we should be playing Sando Night Party music.
And
okay.
I'm recovering very good. The
Let's-
devil is not winning over me.
You are winning over the devil.
Yeah.
Oh
Good
my
evening
God.
guys, it's Thursday night.
Tama.
Let's have fun tonight here in 92 Coast to be you.
Sando Night Party with the Brats, and we have DJ Tado as our special guest. We're
I
so
saw
happy.
DJ Ramon Bautista outside.
Yeah, he's here.
What are you doing?
I think he's kinda making chibog.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. How have you been, DJ Tado? How was your concert?
Oh, very fun. There's so many people, and so many are requesting that I held the concert in their barangay.
Ah, really?
Yeah,
But where exactly was this concert held?
at Malanday, a very urban poor place in Marikina.
So were all the urban poor jumping and wearing black?
No. Oh, they all half naked.
But didn't it rain last night?
And
No,
kanina?
it's just Ambon.
It's Ambon,
It's
konti
just
lang.
Ambon. Maybe some parts of Quezon City it's rain.
But aren't they intimidated by the rain?
No.
By the ambon?
You know the urban poor. Even though it's like raining there, they will not iwan you.
Are they not mahahamugan? Probably.
No,
They're
they have a
matibay.
strong
Resistensya.
resistance. Yeah.
Even if they go home, it's the same.
Yeah.
It's gonna make patak inside their house.
Tama.
From Tado's description, right?
There's no wearing in black, but
They're half naked.
they have
Not
naked.
naked.
It's more
How many
hardcore.
people there?
It's a lot. It's like standing room.
Oh my
What's
God.
Jeepney Joy right there?
Yeah, JP Joyride,
Okay,
FM Dino, El Cabangon, Reklamo, and what's the name of that Paramita girl?
Bautista.
Ria.
Yeah.
Ria.
She was there.
Yeah.
Astig.
Yeah.
Did Paramita play too?
No. It's just watch there.
Ah, she's from there?
No. It's there with the blaster music with Reklamo boys.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Odessa and all that. Thank
So
you to the people who
invited
joined there. Yeah. Sunday night party. We'll have party tonight here.
Tama. We always have a party on Thursday. Oh, and tonight, because it's Thursday, we're giving out like a real nice prize. We're giving out a pair of tickets to
A pair of tickets.
the screening of Iron Man 2.
Why
Iron
don't we
Man.
make benta the tickets here? Let's make a picture. Something like that. Let's sell it for half the price.
Half the price. So how much is a ticket in Greenbelt? It's about 190 pesos, diba?
I don't know.
Yeah, sa Greenbelt.
190?
So times
Damn,
2,
expensive.
that's like 380 pesos.
So let's make pabid na lang.
We're just such losers. Why?
We're even selling our Facebook account. We're selling it to Casey for 4,005.
I think he's kinda kagat na there.
How about whoever stops there with the car, will give the tickets?
To McDonald's,
No, in front of our office.
they have to stop dito
The
sa harap ng office.
Yeah, the first one who stopped there.
And then they have to make ilaw-ilaw and
Yeah,
call
yeah.
our attention.
Yeah.
Now, if you get our attention and,
And if-
makilala namin ikaw,
If they get involved in an accident doing
Yeah.
that, I'll give them mine too.
oh my God.
No. You just flash your lights.
You make papansin.
If I make you pansin,
DJ Ramon Bautista is the window.
yeah.
And then you come up here to the station, then you win the pair of tickets to Iron Man 2 tomorrow night, 9:30 p.m. at Greenbelt 3. It's so social.
Oh, it's in Greenbelt.
Yes, it's in Greenbelt.
That's why
3.
we only give it to the AB Market.
AB
The one na
Market,
nakakotse.
The one with the car.
With the car.
With flashing feature because some cars are naka-steady lang yung pinaka-bright.
Oo
Like
nga,
the truck
no?
in highways.
Naka-steady lang. That's right.
Walang ibang settings.
And take note, guys, we're only giving away one pair tonight. So you gotta be the first. You gotta be the most papansin. So we're serious about this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you
Teacher
drive
Ramon
So
Bautista
here.
is
I'm
just
looking
looking.
out the window now and there's
Baka
no
meron
one.
na.
No one.
You flash your windows in front of McDo and
Yeah.
inside the Silver City area.
You have to
Yeah,
make
yeah.
papansin. Like, whichever way, you make kawai, you make flash your lights.
Yeah.
So you have to come here at Silver City and know where our office is. Because we can see you down there.
And nobody tuned into us.
Sure
Julia
they
Vargas.
are.
I don't see any.
around.
It's traffic pa.
The traffic is, there's a little bit slow moving cars in area of Libis.
Yeah, in the middle.
Yeah. Because, of course, once more,
Because I was
the
imagining,
U-turn.
like, 2 out of 5 cars in Metro Manila are tuned into us. Hindi pala.
Wow, ang laking percentage nun.
The taxi I rode a taxi. I rode a taxi.
Oh, you did?
Oh yeah.
Where's your car?
No. I just rode a taxi. And they're listening to station with a joke.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I learned one joke.
I can
Tonight.
give him a joke.
I learned one joke tonight.
Like what?
Like-
What's that?
Isa sa tatlo ay pangit daw sa buong
Isa?
Pilipinas.
Isa sa tatlo ay pangit. Eh, ano yung dalawa?
No, isa sa tatlo daw sa pangit is pangit sa Pilipinas. You tingin sa kanan and tingin sa kaliwa.
Ah, okay.
And then, kung pangit ka, delikado ka. Something like that.
Isa sa tatlo, kapag
Okay. Pag maganda yung dalawang kasama mo, delikado ka.
Yeah. You're the pangit.
I have joke. Knock.
Who's there?
Maraming lalaki.
Maraming lalaki who.
Sugod mga kapatid, tayo na magsama-sama, iwagayway na ang bandera, rock and roll hanggang umaga.
Who's the maraming lalaki?
Hindi talaga!
It's the guitar part.
Is the guitar part.
Maraming lalaki.
Ang dami nga.
I hope I can get away with that on radio. It's guitar naman eh.
Paano naging lalaki yung tididididit?
You listen, you say it slowly, oh.
Oh my God!
Okay, I have another joke. Oh, so the taxi driver can tune into us so they can win tickets too.
I have a compilation of knock jokes at my computer.
Your favorite joke is knock, ako maba.
No, there's another one.
Gumamit
No,
nun.
knock.
Who's there?
Medicine.
Medicine who?
Bayang mag-ilim. Medicine.
Ang patay! Medicine.
Oh. Knock.
Who's there?
Great Wall of China.
Great Wall of China.
Who?
Vanilla, ice, baby. Ding.
Ah!
Ding.
Puro ganun joke mo, yung sound effects
Ganun
na
talaga.
suggestive. Ding.
Dami pa yun eh.
Ding. Ayoko na.
There's still no cars flashing their lights in front of McDo.
We have to give them time. They have all the way until 9 o'clock to do it.
You know,
Tama.
I saw a wang car. I think it's pang congressman. Hindi yata
Na dumaan.
interesado sa ticket.
You can see it's traffic. So they're probably stuck.
How come it's
their way
maulan?
here.
Is it the end of summer already?
I don't know. Maybe it's the end of El Nino.
April pa lang.
Oh nga, it's not even technically
Because the other 2 days,
May. It's saksakan
Really,
ng
saksakan
init.
ng init.
it's 37.3.
Yeah,
Right?
kahapon yata
The
yun
hottest.
eh.
It's the hottest.
So that it's like a tsunami. It makes buwelo first. It makes higop the water first and then
And then
malaking
buhos.
bagsak.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay, we'll give these people time to get their cars here, win the tickets, and
We're playing a commercial.
We'll play a
We're
commercial.
playing a song and then you make wang your lights. Is that counted? Pwede na, no?
pwede na.
As
Pwede
long
na.
as they get our attention.
Yeah, we're looking out the window naman eh. So, get our attention,
So I
okay?
have spaghetti outside the booth. So,
Can I have?
Macdo Katipunan.
So far pa pala. Brett, we'll be right back.
Yeah.
So addicting. Wow! Sinigang na corned beef!
Is this for real? Sarap! Oh, crispy pork ribs!
Yum!
Ang sarap talaga dito sa Centro. The ambiance is amazing and the food.
Simply gastronomical.
Anong gastronomical? May pag-gastronomical pa kayong nalalaman. Meeting started 5 minutes ago. Conference room, now.
Bilis!
Kasi,
Ano ba yung gastronomical?
Centro now delivers. Call 212-1212 or order online at quickdelivery.ph. Centro 1771, first in modern Filipino cuisine. Centro 1771 is located at the second floor Greenbelt 3 Ayala Center, Makati City, and at Serendra, Bonifacio Global City, Taguig.
Yeah, we're back.
Yeah, it's Sunday night party, guys.
We
How
have
about
special guests.
we invite you guys to send in your knock-knock jokes or whatever jokes, and we'll try to act here.
Ano, parang they'll share it over YM or over
Yeah,
the
YM.
text.
Our YM is U92 FM.
And then we're gonna read it out, like
Yeah,
we're really
no.
throwing it to each other.
Yeah, it's Sunday night joke time. How's that?
Joke, joke, joke!
You text us. How to text again?
From their mobile phone, they just have to type U92 space their message and send it to 8933. Okay?
8933. Yeah,
8933 is the number.
I have my tickets for the Iron Man.
Woohoo! Are you watching?
Me?
Or are your kids watching?
Maybe I'm gonna sell this and then buy some palit gaw-gaw. I make papalit gaw-gaw. I need gaw-gaw.
Oh my God! What do you need gaw-gaw for? Your kumot?
I have for the operation dikit for my poster.
Gaw-gaw ba yung ginagamit na pandikit sa mga pader?
Yeah, it's gaw-gaw.
Kasi it's mura lang.
Yeah, it's
Why
mura
not
lang.
use paste? Di ba
It's
yung paste yung parang 3 piso?
It's expensive.
Mas mura pa gaw-gaw?
Gaw-gaw, because gaw-gaw you'll make balde-balde. In paste is like only sachet. It's only sachet. Gaw-gaw is like
Balde-balde
ano,
talaga.
20 pesos per kilo. Or I don't know.
It's like by the masses.
Yeah. And then we'll just make, you know how to make almirol? That's how to make
Painitin
gaw-gaw.
mo lang yung gaw-gaw, di ba?
Yeah,
Almirol. In Chapacano, we call it almidon.
Not almirol.
Ay, parang almidon eh. I'm
You
not sure.
Chabacano weird of choosing words. Almidon. It's like kulang.
I'm not sure. Baka naman almirol, mali lang ako. I don't know.
I think no one is using almirol now, no? Only
Yeah.
the matatanda.
Well, we use almirol for our kumot para it's parang nag-glide-glide lang sa balat mo kapag mainit.
No, it's matigas when you use it
Yun
in a
na nga,
kumot.
parang tumigas.
Almirol is kalaban of
Starch.
some like fabric softener.
Yeah, kasi almirol, titigas siya.
Titigas.
Softener, lalambot.
Yeah.
Eh kasi pag mainit, tas you'll put super lambot, parang ang init dahil dumidikit sa balat mo.
Ah.
Pero kapag yung medyo matigas, then it kind of like is
It's weird,
nakapatong
no?
lang
Before
sa
it's
skin
almirol,
mo.
now they're using fabric softener.
Well, kapag malamig, then it's okay lang na fabric softener. So, kakapit sa balat mo and then it'll keep you warm. I think that's how it works. But, nung una, I was kind of mad. It's like, ano ba to? Ang tigas-tigas. And then, it's masarap pala. If it's kind of like glides on your skin.
almirol the panty? It's not, no?
I know it's makapdi. It's kikis-kis on your skin.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And I mean, everywhere, pati sa puwet. It's
'Cause-
like you're gonna have the allergy ng baby.
Oh,
Like diaper rash.
diaper rash.
Did you have, brief na maong?
No, not
Parang
maong, but
you had.
I have short.
No, but
Maong
brief.
short.
Nagka-brief ka yata na maong eh.
It's not beef. It's not, yeah, it's kind of brief.
It's boxers.
Yeah. But maong. But American maong.
What are the kinds of maong? There's American maong. Is there Chinese maong?
No, in some telahan they call it American maong. It's like manipis and very malambot.
It's not the maong na pang-maong na
Pang-cowboy.
pantalon. Na cowboy.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
It's
the
the
maong
color.
na pang-chicks.
Yeah, it's color blue. That's why they call it maong. But actually, it's not maong.
Color blue. It's
It
the
look
dark
like, it
blue.
looks like maong.
But it's not maong.
Yeah, that's why
Because
they call
maong
it
is matigas.
Yeah. You know some pants now, right? There's so many maong type. There's,
Yeah, ang
there's so
dami.
many soap and there's maong
May
is not
mga-
not matigas anymore.
That's right. There's even the acid washed maong. So they make it babad in acido. So it's gonna fade and sort of like become malambot and punit. And it's like the in style because it's sort of grunge, sort of rock. And then there's the maong na uso now. The yung fitting, yung parang
That's for the imo maong.
yeah,
Yeah.
the emo maong.
It's
That's
like
right.
baston.
Baston.
During the 80s, it's baston.
Yes.
Now they call it imo maong.
Emo maong, but it's the same thing.
They only upgrade it like with some metal
Yes,
design.
they
But
put metal. And they
before-
fade in some parts.
my uncle used it, wears it like, there's a stripe.
There's a stripe where? Sa maong?
During the 80s, the baston, in the design.
Ah, tapos
Yan.
stripe yung maong.
And the stretchable is like, it's stretchable. The maong is stretchable.
Now, there is maong na stretchable. Ako I have maong na stretchable. This is weird. I'm gonna read stuff from the text line. Hello, Brew Rats. This is Clyde from Dasma. I have a corny joke na baka alam nyo na. Ano ang lugar na isa lang yung letter, yung pangalan? Ha? Na isa
What
lang?
again?
Ano ang lugar na isa lang ang letter, yung pangalan? Anong lugar ang may pangalan na isang letter lang?
Alam ko.
Ano?
Lugar, pangalan.
Hindi,
Isang
it's
letter,
two
dalawa
letters
yun
eh. Yun ang sagot. E di C lang. C lang. Hey!
Cavite nga.
Asagwa.
Cavite joke.
As Cavite.
Diyan sa Cavite, may sticker na Armalite yung sa
Oo,
ng Cavite.
Cavite.
Tapos Armalite yung design.
Etibak ko.
Etibak.
Ba't ba Armalite? Doon ba gawa?
Oo.
Armalite?
Ewan ko, marami sigurong, doon, Gunlord. Ay,
Gunlord.
Warlord. Also in
Gunlord.
Cavite.
Gun Lord.
The tatay
Etibak.
there is like wearing maong. And they tupi their
Tupi.
t-shirt.
Why do they do that?
Cebu. Anong pinagkaiba sa Cebunan?
Then sa Cebu nakatakin.
Sa Cavite.
Cavite, hindi.
Nakatupi yung t-shirt.
Nakatupi.
Cavite, Arman. Magawa tayong t-shirt. Magawa ng t-shirt doon. Ano?
Cavite.
Cavite.
DJ Ramon.
Hello to Asman, Blue, Beth, and Grace. Ale.
DJ
What?
Ramon, kailan nyo po i-guess yung Korean friend nyo at yung stewardess?
Okay, very good question. The Korean friend is here in the Philippines. I will meet her later.
Wow!
Yeah, I will catch up with her because she's kakarating lang. She went around the world.
Oh, that's awesome. What's
Yeah.
your airline?
Asia na yata.
Okay.
Basta some Korean airline.
Korean Air.
She's half Korean,
Asian.
half Singaporean.
Oh, so no Filipino.
Only fighting spirit. Only
So,
gali.
what she called? Like, Singkakor?
Oh, Singapore.
Singkakor.
Pwede. Singapore.
You're a Singkakor.
Yeah. But she's not kind of tall. She's kind of short.
I think binaba na yung requirement for hindi
But
na
she looks like Panex.
Malamang
Siguro pinayagan
panex nga. Pinayagan na. Binaba na yung height
Kasi minsan may
requirement.
Yan? Ano yan? Stewardess yan?
Baka naman magaling, mahusay, magtimpla.
Hindi, parang
saka
masungit
mag-serve. Ganun talaga mga stewardess,
Hindi
masusungit.
masusungit yun.
Hindi, mababait yun.
Lahat ng kabaitan, ibinigay na sa kanila ng Panginoon.
Uy, depende.
Water, sir?
Depende.
Pwede juice? Sige.
Pinanganak pa lang yun. Ito, gagawin ko itong stewardess. Bibigyan ko to ng kabaitan.
Yan.
Maunawain yun.
Tinadhana.
Lahat ng pangangailangan mo, meron sila. Especially kung first class yung upuan mo. Yan.
Yan.
Oh, first class.
Kung doon ka sa cargo room,
Cargo room. Sisipasipay.
yung nagwawalis, tabi dyan.
Hindi mag-excuse. Ay, akala ko cargo. Tao pala. Sorry. Napakan.
Sa cargo ka kasi. Tama mo rito mga kataul. Mga economy class. mas mura pa sa economy yung cargo. Okay, basahin na ba natin to?
Ano ba yan?
Basahin natin to.
Basahin natin to. Sige. Pero may sasabihin ka sa akin.
Ganon?
Oo.
Ay, oo. Pwede ba Tagalog to?
Subukan
Tagalogin ka
natin. Sa gusto, subukan natin.
May memo naman sila pag may memo naman sila pag
Kapag mali, oo.
Malalim na Tagalog.
Ako yata yung mahihirapan. Sige.
Alam mo ba?
Ano?
Hanep na napakaraming tao na mga magagawa ng maraming tao sa kanilang mga telepono, cellphone cellphone.
Aba, sang-ayon ako dyan. Dahil bukod sa pagtawag at pagte-text, magagamit na rin natin ang ating mga telepono sa pagkuha ng mga litrato at sa pagpapatugtog ng ating mga kanta.
Ako, simula pa lang yan. Ang isa pang mas hanip, yung mga tao ngayon, ginagamit yung mga cellphone nila para ano yan? Internet ba? Mag-internet ba?
Tama.
Ayan. Tapos pwede nang makipag-chat. I-update yung bukang libro. Facebook. I-google ang restaurant. Mag-tweet. Lahat yan sa ating mga cellphone.
Oo nga, no? Iba na talaga ngayon ang teknolohiya.
Ay, oo. At alam mo ba, ang tatak na prepaid na hinahayaan tayong gawin yan. Na
Aba!
Papaya.
Sabihin mo sa akin kung aling tatak yan.
Smart body.
Wow! Smart body!
Oh. Sa sa
Ano?
sa katotohanan, may hinahagi silang 2 oras ng libreng mobile internet.
Hinahagis.
Hinahagis, throwing in browsing in there sa kanila libreng 2 oras na internet sa kanilang bagong SIM.
Ibig mo sabihin, libreng-libre? Abay, napakaganda naman
Napakalamig.
yan. Napakagaling.
Napakalamig, cool.
Napakalamig.
Kuwela.
Napakakwela naman yan. Para makapag-internet ba, nagamit ang iyong telepono, libre pa.
Aba, oo. Kaya pag naghahanap ka ng prepaid na SIM, punta ka na dun sa isa na nagbibigay sa'yo ng hindi lang calling tsaka texting. Smart body. Dumalaw lang sa pinakamalapit na bentahan ng Smart. Tapos hanapin ang nakatatak na Smart Body SIM. Ikabit sa iyong telepono at tapos activate. I-on.
Iyon.
Tapos okay na. Mag-enjoy ka na ng 2 oras ng ibang surfing tol.
Pagpunta sa dagat.
Kalaykay.
Libreng pag-internet.
Pagkalaykay ng internet sa inyong telepono.
Aba, napakatamis na balita naman yan.
Okay. Hanapin ng mga tagalipad para sa detalye. Ayos.
Ang promong ito ay tatakbo mula ngayon hanggang Hulyo 31, 2010. Mula sa DTI-NCR permit na
Permiso
numero 283.
Serye ng 2010.
Tama.
In need of that quick Centro fix? Centro now delivers. Enjoy Centro food at the comfort of your home in your office. Simply call 212-1212 or order online at Delivery 21.
3, 2, 1. Showtime. Here are the Brew Rats on U92.
Brew Rats Defective Radio!
Yeah, once again, once more.
Sunday night party, guys.
Get party.
It's, we invite you to send in your jokes to our YMU 92 FM radio at yahoo.com, right? And our
That's right.
text line is type in your cell phone U92 and then your message, space, and then your message sends to 8993.
8933.
8933.
That's right. And if you wanna win a pair of tickets to the screening of Iron Man 2 tomorrow, 9:30 p.m. at Greenbelt 3, you can participate in the Brurats game, which means you will have to drive all the way here to Silver City and sort of make papansin
Yeah,
down there.
make flash your that you're there.
Flash your headlights.
I will look outside the window na.
You can make kawaii. Basta do anything to call our attention down there. 'cause
Burn
we're
your
looking
car.
out. Burn your car.
That's
Make
gonna
hubad.
be katawag-tawag pansin.
Make pa-aresto, whatever. Just call our attention because we're looking out the window. And if we make you pansin, you just come up here and you win the tickets. We only have 1 pair for the night. So hopefully you can make it here at Silver City. Will we give away our address? If in case they're like on the road and they don't know how to get here?
They can drop by.
Yeah, they can drop by.
I see someone.
Flashing?
Flashing.
Someone who's waving.
Eh,
Hey, you wave again.
you wave
Oh,
again.
si-
Yeah! Can I see?
Isa pa next girl.
They,
My next girl?
they should have like a car.
Hey,
Hey!
what's your name?
How will she tell
Can't
us?
hear you.
She's down there.
Call us.
I'll call. They just
7062892. We'll talk to her na.
come up here. And then,
Yeah, you
win
come up
ticket.
here. You win 2 tickets. She's calling.
He's calling.
7062892.
92. 7062892. Ito na ba? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, it's Percy!
Bang! Shut.
Okay.
I'm waiting for a call.
Ay.
Ayan.
Ito na. Hello?
Hello?
Ayan.
yeah, how's you?
Are you the girl who's waving outside?
Actually, my boyfriend's going up there already kasi kanina pa kami nagpapapansin.
Oh.
Di alam about it.
I'm
It's
sorry.
your fault.
I was eating dinner outside. sorry.
Okay, we will,
Yeah.
we will
Come
make
up.
He's
abang.
up there already, I don't know.
Park your car.
Beside the security guard.
Beside the security guard.
Tell them, sagot ko.
Sagot tado. Yeah.
Dito?
Well, doon sa ilalim ng
Parking
poste. Huwag ka magbayad dyan. Mapapagastos ka. Abante mo ng konti, tapos sa ilalim ng poste na may ilaw,
Abutan mo lang ng
ipark mo
5
dyan.
piso yung secure.
Sabi mo sa CQ, sagot ako ni Tado.
Pag di ka pinayagan, mag-sorry ka.
Oo.
Sige.
Bakit ka dito? Malamig dyan, mahamugang ka.
Okay.
Sige.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Ayun siya, oh.
Ayun siya.
Ayun na.
Ayun siya, oh.
Yan.
I think her boyfriend's here na. Kasi the guard made kaway-kaway here eh.
Papasukin natin.
Yeah, papasukin natin siya.
Yung shota niya.
Yung shota.
Yung shota niya, nasa
Papasukin
labas.
natin yung
Iniwala
shota.
sa kanya. Patcher naman yun eh.
Papasukin sa booth ang shota.
Ito yung mga tipong pinagpupustahan yung mga shota. Dahil batcher.
Tama. Mga batcher yan.
Patcher yung shot. Iniiwanan lang. Girlie, dyan ka lang.
Diyan ka lang, babalik ako.
Huwag kang aalis. Kukunin ko ang ating premyo.
Pagbalik, wala na. Ay, hindi batcher. Pati kotse ko tinangay.
Nasaan na siya?
Napakasaya ang palabas nito talaga, no?
Oh.
We will give him nadis.
Kasi, where ba is
No.
Where are tickets?
Girlie, ayaw pa pumark. Park ka na, girlie. Ayan, abante pa. Sige, gagawin kita. Abante pa. Sige pa. Konti pa. O, yan. Simulan mo na pumreno. Ayan. Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Ma'am?
Ayan, igilid mo konti.
Yan.
Yan.
Pwede ka pala mag-navigate mula sa
Oo.
large distances.
Bago ka makita ng guard, tumakbo ka na rito. Pagdating niya dyan, wala nang driver yung
Ihanda mo
kotse.
yung coins mo bago ka umalis.
Okay na yan, girlie. Shota mo, nandito na raw.
Oh. Nasaan na? Hindi pa pumapasok.
Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Bumaba ka na dyan. I-off mo yung hazard, baka makalimutan mo.
Tama. Will I play commercials while we wait for them to come up? Or will we just wait na lang?
Diyan, kala ko yung shota.
Okay, where's the shota?
Naligaw.
Girlie,
meron dito
nagpunta sa massage parlor yung shota mo.
May sauna dito,
Ikaw na
girlie.
rito. Baka nadagit ng mga taga-call center na katabi
Number
namin.
28 ang kinuha.
Yung bago.
Yung bago.
Yung hindi marunong magmasahe. Pero maganda, tsaka malambing.
Happy ending.
Oh.
Happy ending yung ino-offer.
Yung pagbukas ng window, yung sarado-sarado yung tuhod.
Nagkamali.
Ayan. O sige, bigyan mo muna yung commercial.
Sige.
Malayo pa yung lalakarin ni Girlie.
Tama. Pagbalik namin, kakausapin natin si Girlie at ang kanyang shota.
Alain mo.
Brett will be
Kinig pala
right
sa
back.
atin.
Anong pangalan mo?
Lorilyn po.
Anong pangarap mo pagtanda mo?
Gusto ko po maging doktor.
Anong mga hadlang dito?
Minsan pag wala po kami pera, umuutang po kami. Kami minsan nakakain. Yung sibuyas na lang kahit wala na po siyang pork chop.
childhope.org.ph Kailangan ng donasyon.
Cats, the greatest musical of all time. In a superb international production starring Lea Salonga, Andrew Lloyd Webber's triumphant masterpiece, acclaimed worldwide by more than 65 million people. Cats at CCP's Tanghalang Nicanor Abelardo. July 24th for a strictly limited season. Book now, Ticket World, or call 891-9999. Presented by City and supported by Infinity, powered by Smart. Cats, now and forever.
Brought to you in part by McDonald's and Philippine Airlines.
Witness the sexiest show on earth as FHM, the #1 men's magazine in the Philippines, brings you the FHM 100 Sexiest Women in the World 2010. Who will be crowned this year's Philippines Sexiest Woman? Cast your votes now by texting FHM 100 to 2948 or by logging on to fhm.com.ph. The FHM 100 Sexiest Women in the World 2010 is brought to you by Premier Condoms, RRJ, and cooperation with San Mig Light, Master, and Citizen Echo Drive. Special thanks to Manila Bulletin, Solar TV, Jack TV, and this station.
The heat with the coolest station this summer.
U92.
3, 2, 1.
Showtime. Here are the Brew Rats on U92.
Once
Now
again,
we're
once
back.
more, we're back, yeah. We're with the guy who flashed his lights and stopped by the roadside to
And
make papansin.
He makes Iwan his Shota, the
Shota.
butcher
The
girl.
butcher girl.
Yeah.
Talk to this guy.
Hey, hello.
Hi.
Yeah,
Good
listen
evening.
to
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Andrew.
Andrew.
Andrew Ford Medina.
Where are you from?
Andrew Fort Messina.
Pasig.
Is that Pajero the car? Is that Pajero? Is that Pajero?
Saan mo nakilala yung shota mo?
Somewhere, we were just walking and I saw her nag-Yossi.
Simula pa lang, alam mo na magiging butcher siya.
Yeah.
Okay,
Siya ba ang kasama mong manonood ng Iron Man?
Pag-iisipan ko pa.
Pag-iisipan ko.
Okay talaga.
Magbigay ka ng mensahe sa iyong
Oh,
shot.
naiwan sa baba.
I-play mo yung
Naiwan
timers.
sa baba. Ito na, ito na.
Baka ano siya?
Bantayan mo yung gulong, baka ma-flat. Hindi, bukas, sunod na tayo. Pagkatapos, uwi na. Yun,
Paul?
yun.
Uwi na.
I love
Uwi
you.
na?
May background music na ganyan, yun lang.
Kaya nga.
Ganun talaga.
Nandiyan mo ng konti. Para maingit yung mga ibang kalalakihan kahit may shota kang butcher.
Oo. Pinag-park mo.
Oo. Kanina pa dun, sa ulan.
Kanina pa naghihintay sa ulan.
Pinalabas ko pa nga eh.
Okay, congratulations to you,
Okay,
Andrew.
thank you
Yeah,
again.
enjoy the Iron Man.
Yeah,
Shot
see you
mo?
tomorrow.
Aisa.
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 Siya ba talaga yun?
I shall return.
Okay.
Astig.
Baka may iba kang shota, yung original. Siya na yun. Okay, okay. Oh, sige.
Sa Aisa lang.
Sa Aisa lang.
Okay, salamat.
Congratulations,
Thank you,
Andrew.
thank you.
Enjoy Iron Man 2.
Okay, thanks again. Bye-bye.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye-bye.
That's tomorrow, guys, at Greenbelt 3, Cinema 5.
You make papanalo people here. Oh, sige, congrats tol, ha?
It's very easy.
Yeah.
Bye.
Just make papansin in the car.
They were making papansin pala for a long time na. Ano na ako, kumakain ako.
Because you weren't there.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
And they also have winners for another
Splash Island ticket.
papremyo. Oy, pumunta ka dito.
Come here.
Isn't it that expired already?
Pumunta ako dun, di ba? Pina-extend ko.
Oh! You're wise.
Asan na yung ticket ko? Pinaraffle ko.
Pinaraffle mo na eh. Oo. Yan. Let's say hello to Peanut Girl. Yan. Hi.
Minap ka inta.
Oh, hello to you.
Hello, good evening.
Where'd you come from?
Office.
Ba, Makati?
Office.
Office girl.
Wow.
Thank you for the tickets.
Kasama mo pa yung mga nakabarong, ha?
Oo, office mate ko, Miko, and my brother.
Oh, that's your brother.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's her birthday coming up.
Happy birthday, ha?
Monday,
Happy birthday to...
Ilan taon ka na?
It's a holiday.
26.
26.
It's a holiday Monday.
It's a holiday
Last
Monday.
Yeah.
Last Monday.
Oh, last
I
Monday.
had my
Okay.
birthday leave. Wala akong gagawin. So, it was a good thing na
Oh.
may pa-promo.
Belated happy birthday.
You tried all the rides there at Splash
Meron
Island.
pa ba?
Ito, sa'yo na lahat.
Yeah,
Kaya
yeah.
kita tinawag kasi...
Meron pa ba?
Ito pa. Hanggang bukas na lang to eh.
Hindi pa pwede extended.
You go to Splash
Okay,
Island.
ano lang.
Ano? Pag-isipan mo na.
Bigyan mo na yan.
Bigay mo na sa kanya yan. Ikaw talaga, oh.
Tama kayo.
Ito na nga. Ito na nga.
Marami yung gagawin, eh. Lalaba pa ako, eh.
O, sige. O,
Pwede
yan.
ba ako maglaba doon? Maraming tubig doon, di ba?
Napakaraming pa-premyo
Ba't may
sa
naglalaba
Brulan.
dito sa slide namin? Ano to, eh? Taga-brurats to.
Sir, gusto ko mag-enjoy at habang mag-enjoy may ginagawa ko ang aking household chores.
Alam mo naman, tipid tayong tubig.
Tama. O, yan.
Congratulations to you, Mina.
Congratulations.
Happy birthday, belated.
Sige. Ano, we'll pause for another break, ha? I will be back.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Butong pakwan. So addicting.
Wow! Sinigang na corned beef!
Is this for real? Sarap! Oh, crispy pork ribs!
Yum!
Ang sarap talaga dito sa Centro. The ambiance is amazing and the food
Simply gastronomical.
Anong gastronomical? May pag-gastronomical pa kayong nalalaman. Meeting started 5 minutes ago. Conference room, now!
Bilis! Kasi,
Ano ba yung gastronomical?
Centro now delivers. Call 212-1212 or order online at quickdelivery.ph. Centro 1771, first in modern Filipino cuisine. Centro 1771 is located at the second floor Greenbelt 3 Ayala Center, Makati City, and at Serendra, Bonifacio Global City, Taguig.
Increase your market share and revenues with Bitstop Network Services, where we help you lower your cost of acquiring new clients. With BNS, you can deploy tried and tested strategies that leverage the power of the Internet that is proven to work for businesses like yours. Call BNS at 6375-522-5089 for a free online conference to find out more about how our innovative web solutions can help you succeed.
Radio made for you. Here are the Brew Rats on U92.
Brats on U92, that is us.
Yeah, we just gave away 2 tickets to Iron Man 2 showing tomorrow.
And
Greenbelt 3.
10 tickets worth, 10 tickets.
10 tickets.
10 tickets to
Splash
Island.
Island.
To
The birthday girl.
birthday girl.
Tama.
We're so gallant ito.
Oh, yeah.
Generous. I feel
I hope you give away payong pa rin, ano? Hope they're told that you do
We make
payong.
patak-patak.
You buy payong.
We will make pagawa payong. Now, it's cheap na po to make pagawa because there's so many surplus.
We will tell the boss to
Sir.
give us.
May tatak na ng kandidato.
We'll make that from copies.
Congressman, District 2.
Copies.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, guys.
Sunday night party Thursday. Be part of our party.
That's right. Add us up
Brew
on
Rats
Facebook.
Republic.
Yeah, the Brew Rats Republic. Add us there.
Yeah.
Or how about, let's have fun. You send us jokes. Yeah, to our
Yeah, it's joke time.
joke time.
In our Facebook, there's lots of people already sending in their jokes.
We have
Yeah. Check it out. What's your favorite joke?
the medicine and the akoma ba?
Hindi naluluma.
Yeah, the
akoma ba?
And then in the event, I always ask, lahat po ba nandito na? And then the crowd will shout, oh, taas ang kamay ang wala pa rito. And then like 3 or 5 people will raise their hands.
It's benta all the time.
Benta all the time.
Magawa nga yan. Sabihin ko din yan. Nakakatawa yan, ha?
Yeah.
I like it when you say, sa mga, itong next song namin, pag di nyo nagustuhan yung, ano yan? Pag di nyo nagustuhan yung unang kanta, ito, di nyo magugustuhan. Ano ba yung trend na yun? Ayun, okay. Saturday night, joke time. Post. Ayan.
Send your joke, guy.
Anong bansa ang hindi sa'yo? From Roy Bataan. Anong bansa ang hindi sa'yo?
Ano?
Kenya.
Hindi nga sa'yo yun.
Okay naman.
Kenya.
I-rate natin yung joke. 1 to 5. 5 pinakamataas. Ito mga 3 to.
3 yan.
Mga 3. Pwede na.
Dapat yan, sinasabi yan, that joke, when everybody is lasing na and bangag.
Malakas yan. Magiging 5 yan.
Magiging 5 yan.
Ayun, 3 lang yan eh.
Hagikikan todo yan.
Gulong yan. Yan yung
joke na kailangan ng supplements.
Supplements. Wala, joke. Yun lang. Lahat ng mga Jejemon eh. Kung alam mo, ano itong Jejemon na to eh. Huwag nyo nang i-like, guys. Lagay na kayo ng joke. Okay. From Troy Christian. Anong sabi ng tinga sa kulangot? Ano sabi?
Ano?
Ba't ka nandito? Parang wala yun. Ano? Hero.
Yan!
Troy
Kailangan na ng
Christian.
drugs niyan.
Tarbong. Drugs.
Chonky.
Supplement.
Chonky kailangan yan. Pag sinabi mo yan, kailangan nagpa-chonky ka para matawa lahat sila.
Minsan, baka kahit naka-chonky, mawawala yung tama eh. Huwag kayo mag-chonky. Napakasama nga influensya. Okay. Okay, just send us jokes. We take callers. 7062892. Only if you have jokes.
How do we have tech callers, DJ Angels
No,
outside?
we can pindot. Ay, abot naman eh.
No. It's ringing. You pindot that.
Hello?
Yeah, no, it's ringing.
Hi.
Oh, it's Percy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have a joke?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Riverboat.
Riverboat who?
Riverboat young when I first saw.
4 to. 4 to.
4.
Okay to.
Yeah.
O, sige, 4.
Sige.
Oh,
Okay.
Tulog ka na.
Bye-bye, Percy. Yan yung joke na pag nakatagay ng isa.
Oh.
Pero pag tagay mo, kaya ganyan. Ang gano'n.
Minsan na sobrang, pag nakatagay na, suntukan eh. Suntukin ka na eh, di ba? 4. Kaya, okay, meron na naman. I like this joke time. Hello. Say hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. What?
Hello?
Who's this?
Bagong Hudas.
You have a joke.
Tama.
Okay, Maring Hudas. Go.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Civil War.
Civil War.
Civil War?
Who?
Civil War ang tunay na mahirap. Civil War ang tunay na
Diyos.
malaki.
Mga dos. Mga dos to.
Chonky, kailangan. Kailangan magpa-chonky.
Nakakainis eh.
Meron pa.
Sige,
bumawi ka.
Bawi ka. Ay, hindi kami nag-encourage yung chonky dito kasi. Kaya, sa mga to, yung joke mo, parang hindi nakakatawa eh.
Ayaw namin ng chonky, ano?
Okay, game. Ano?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Come back to me.
Come back to me, who?
Pagka-bilyar na naman yan, ha?
Hindi.
Ano?
Come back to me, Bok ang puso. Wala ka na magagawa kung
4 to.
4.
Okay.
Okay.
Ano?
Ganun yun. Come back to me, Bok
Ang puso.
Tama.
Gandahin mo kasi.
Ang titing ka naman.
Yung delivery mo, gandahan mo. Si 5 yan
Parang ka maropor eh. Ropor ka ba?
Isa pa. Maganda delivery, oh. Di mo. Knock. Lagyan mo ng energy. Okay, game. Okay, go.
Knock, knock.
Saan mo?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Come back to me.
Come back to me, who?
Come back to me, Bok ang puso. Wala ka na magagawa kung
Basta
dito.
4.1. Sige. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Come back to me, Bok ang
Yan,
puso.
i-joke yan. Back to me, ha?
Come back to me.
Back to me.
Who invented knock-knock anyway? It's an Asian joke? Filipino
I
joke?
think it's American.
It's American.
Yeah. I'm chatting with my friends now on Facebook. Hindi nakikinig. I-joke ko yan. Meron? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Si Big Soto. Soto, tumatawag.
Yeah.
Hindi ko madinig. Nakatawag ako sa Brurats. Hello?
Yeah, you're on.
Hello, you're on!
Hello?
Can you hear us?
Maybe you just...
Enzo, mahina.
Mahina.
Okay, lapit mo yung tenga mo sa telepono.
Baka nakalayo.
Lapit mo.
Huwag ka dumi pa. Hindi mo maririnig kami. Who is you?
Alex.
Alex who? Go. What you have joke?
Yes.
Okay.
Eto.
Oh, go.
Sabi ng guard, bakit ka jumeds dyan? Sabi ng pulubi, hindi Sabi ng guard, kita ko nasa dyaryo. Sabi ng pulubi, bilis kakajebs ko lang, nasa balita ka agad.
Choke.
Pang chonky yan eh.
Mapapaaway ka pa sa... Mareraid ka ng pideya sa dami ng chonky na kailangan mong sirain para matawa dyan. Okay. Wala na iba? Bigyan ka
Meron
namin ng...
pa.
Sige.
Sige, knock.
Claire.
Ano yan? Uod.
Uod who?
Uod, mga kapatid. Tayo,
This walk, I'll give
Naman
it a
dinuduyo
1.
ko sa mga bata eh. Hindi na natawa yung mga bata eh.
We do not encourage chonky here. The PDE will mad at you.
We will record your number from our caller ID and send the PIDEA there. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Kailangan mong ang tumira para sa mga ganon. Okay, let's see. May mga nagte-text here eh. Kaso some songs, I don't know how to sing it. Paano ba yung kanta ni Lady Gaga? Ang I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you love me.
I'm your biggest fan. Follow you until you love me. Paparazzi.
Okay! Okay, kasi it's like this. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Para, mamang taxi.
Para mamang taxi who?
I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you love me. Para, mamang taxi. Oh, ganun pala yun.
Parang yung joke na yan eh. Nag-aral ka sa Ateneo. Yan.
Para, mamang taxi.
Iinom ka.
Nagiinuman yung mga taga-Ateneo. Ganyan yung joke nila.
Kakapanalo lang nila sa UAP. Ginok nila yan.
Hey guys, I have a knock-knock. Ganun.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, you want to hear a knock-knock joke?
Para taxi.
Tapos magsasabay sila, magtatapik sila ng mesa. Jug, 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 jug. Au, au, au.
Okay, I need to do a break now.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ach.
Achoo. Achoo.
Bless you.
Achoo.
Sa Ateneo joke to.
Yeah.
Guys.
Saturday joke.
Guys, check it out. I have a joke.
When you say that, parang naalala ko si Joaquin Valdez.
Alin?
Yan yung guys,
Guys.
check it out.
Check it out.
Eh, siya magsalita eh.
Sana i-guess natin siya para sa seminar siya kung paano maging konyo.
Oh, sige.
Eh, Joaquin!
Sabi ako siya. Joaquin, mag-guess ka. Sige. I need to do this break, okay? We'll be back. Okay, we're back. That was real fast.
Wait,
Told you.
This knock-knock joke is for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Evelyn.
Evelyn who?
Evelyn, bili na ng lola pag uminom ng serbesa.
That's 4.
Evelyn.
Evelyn, bili na ng lola.
Ede.
Evelyn. More knock-knock jokes, guys. Yeah, we have caller.
We have caller. Hello?
Hello?
Welcome to the
Alien.
Blue Rat Show.
Hello?
Who is you?
Hello.
Hi, this is Cyril.
Who?
Cyril.
Hello, Cyril.
Hello, Cyril.
How old is you?
I'm 26.
Uy, patunayan mo nga.
Patunayan mo 26 ka na. Tsaka hinaan mo yung radyo mo.
No, lower the volume of your radio.
Ako na.
Hinaan mo na. Okay.
Ano ba knock-knock?
Okay. What's your knock-knock?
Sige. Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Dilaw ang ipin mo kahit hindi mais.
Mahaba-haba yan, ha?
Dapat malakas to.
Dilaw ang ngipin mo?
Kahit hindi mais.
Kahit hindi mais.
Kahit hindi mais.
Dilaw ang ipin mo kahit hindi mais. Who?
Dilaw ang ipin mo kahit hindi mais. Ibig na ano yung lyrics eh, pero yun.
Hindi successful yung joke mo, ah.
Kailangan
Anong gagawin
chumongi.
natin?
Kailangan chumongi.
Meron pa akong isa.
O, sige, sige.
Meron pa, sige.
Ayaw namin
Bawal naman. Bawal yun eh.
Sige, sorry. Ito na. Meron pa. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Sinigang.
Sinigang who?
Sinigang, sandal ka lang.
Baka tres.
Oo.
Tres, sige, tres.
Pero hanapin ka pa rin ng pideya. Mag-ingat ka.
Frustrated.
Pinaghihinalaan ka na. Bye-bye, Cyril.
Maman mo na ng mga agents. O kaya,
Ano yun?
rugby. Naka-rugby na to, boss.
Okay. Brewster Palamunin lang says DJ Angel, Tado, and Ramon. Thanks po sa greeting kagabi. I enjoyed my birthday. And DJ Tado may suggested text design po, a cue para sa limitado. Okay, you message it to him.
Send your text, your joke to our text. You type U92 and then space and then 8933.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
got it.
right.
And the Brewrats Republic.
Or you
Okay.
can message us YM. U92 FM Radio is our handle. Okay. We have callers.
No cuss words.
Yeah, no cuss words. Hello?
No cuss words in your joke. So we can
Hello.
say it on air.
Hello?
Who's this?
Si Droid from Caloocan.
Droid.
Droid.
What's your joke?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
I eat mop.
I eat mop?
I eat mop.
I eat map poo.
Yuck. You eat your poo.
I eat map.
You eat your poo.
Chonky.
Ateneo joke. That's Ateneo joke.
I know.
Yeah.
At least ang naka-chonky. Iba.
Iba.
Next.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Ako'y mo ba?
Naku, that's my
That's
joke.
oh my
Patent
God.
to me.
That's bagsak.
Tulong ka na.
Tulong ka na.
Marami kami witness.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good talaga, oh.
Bagsak. Oh my God.
Pare,
Text.
From Joy Montano. Pare 1. Pare, parang malalim iniisip mo. Pare 2. Naginip ako kagabi. Kasama ko 50 contestants ng Miss Universe. Pare 1. Swerte mo. Ano problema mo? Pare 2. Pare, ako nanalo.
Wow.
Daming pataas ang sales ng chongkay. Ayaw namin yan.
Marami ng mga half-naked ma'am nakaabang sa kanto na nakasiksik yung dalawang kamay nila sa kanilang kilikili at nagmamama kung sino i-score.
Tapos, maraming nakaparada sa sasakyan. Sasakyan ng taxi.
Luminga, mabilis luminga. Tinitingnan niya yung mga, yung i-score. Halata niya yung mga i-score eh. Pawisan yung gano'n.
Pawisan, no?
Tapos, tumitingin lagi sa likod. Tumitingin lagi sa likod. Baka may nakasunod.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
More jokes, guys. Okay. Text your jokes to U92 in space in the message sent to 8993.
Ayun, okay.
8933.
Knock from Byron Manalo o Facebook.
Okay.
Knock.
Who's there?
Isabaw mo siya. Isabaw mo sa kanin ang ihi ng kambing.
Oh, I think I know that.
Isabaw mo sa
Kanin ang ihi ng kambing who?
Isabaw mo sa kanin ang ihi ng kambing. Liwanag sa dilim. Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, from Renante Marcelo. It's for you, Tado, because your favorite animals. Okay. Tado, anong hayop ang mahilig magtanong ng bakit?
Bakit? Kambing.
Hindi.
Ano?
Gorilla.
Gorilla? Bakit?
Yan ang joke.
Ayaw ba yan?
Ikaw yun.
Loko yun, ha?
Sabi ni Renante Marcelo. Ilan yun? Mga...
Maiinis yung mga taga-Ateneo. Mag-aaway sila. Guys, I'm not gonna pahiram the car to you.
Maglakad palabas
Maglakad
ng
ka.
gate.
I'm not gonna give you a ride, man. Ganon yung away nila.
I can't believe you're saying that.
Tineo.
Di ba ganon sila mag-away? Oo, ganon sila mag-away.
Lalakad ka palabas ng gate ng Ateneo, wala kang car.
Wala kang car. I know, dude, you're coding, no? Your joke is such a bad. I'm not gonna give you a ride, man.
Hello to Dindy, stuck in traffic. Yeah.
Who, Lindy?
Dindy.
Din.
From another station.
Oh.
Sa DJ.
Hello. Call us up,
Knock, knock.
7062892.
From Apple. The knock-knock queen.
Apple.
Who's there?
Balintawak.
Balintawak who?
Balintawak in the jungle, the mighty jungle.
Balintawak,
Balintawak.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle.
Pwede.
May call tayo.
Tapos sinasabi pa yan ni Apple, gumigiling-giling parang nasa yung forest talaga siya.
Hello?
Hello?
Who's this?
Yo, pasok.
What's your name? You're on air.
Jerome from Marikina.
Hello, Jerome.
What's your joke?
Yun, Tada for counselor. Knock.
Who's there?
Pa-autoload max nga, how much, magkano?
Ba't haba nun? Pa-autoload nga. How much magkano? Who?
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Pa-autoload max nga, how much, magkano?
Okay. 4 yan.
Very good.
Hindi nyo kailangan ng chonky. Masama yun. Iwasan nyo yun. Mag-knock-knock na lang kayo ng mga ganyan.
Okay.
Sasaya din kayo.
Tama.
Okay. Another one from Apple.
Okay.
Knock.
Who's there?
Uwang.
Uwang who?
Uwang. Galing kong sumayaw. Galing kong gumala. Paano yun? Ibang Navarro?
Uwang.
Ang galing
kong sumayaw.
Paano nga uwang dun?
Oo nga.
Uwang galing. Ganon.
Parang
Sorry,
oang galing.
Sorry, pangit
Galing
ng
kong
pag-
sumayaw.
Ayun, ganon.
Tanan. Uwang.
Wag na nga. Kasalanan ko. Yung delivery. Okay. Another caller.
Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Nga mo radyo mo.
Yeah.
Laki na mo pa konti.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. You have joke?
Yeah.
What?
Knock.
Who's there?
Knock.
Who's there?
Hungry.
Hungry who?
Cause deep inside these armor, the warrior is a child.
Ha?
Asan yung hungry dun?
Ladies and gentlemen, Hungary B.
Ha?
Ate Leo.
Sabay.
Hindi ko naintindihan.
Oo nga.
Hindi ko naintindihan.
Okay yan. I'm Gary B. Hungary B.
Oh my God.
Kakainis ka kasi. Ayusin mo kasi. Para kang ano lasing eh. Pero pakati na yung joke mo eh.
Pinag-aaral ng magulang, nagbabayabas ka lang.
Okay.
Sige, bumawi ka.
Knock.
Who's there?
Tiger Leon, pating kambing.
Tiger
Tiger
Leon.
Leon, pating kambing who?
Hayop yan Sige.
Kailan mo ba mapapansin ang aking himig? Tiger Leon, kambing, pating, di mo pinapansin.
Matutuwa sa'yo si Casey Montero. Kasi kanta ni Geneva Cruz yan.
Tama.
I-joke mo yan bukas.
Sa kanya, tawagan mo siya.
Alauna siya,
Sabihin mo-
alauna.
Alauna
Siya hanggang alas 4.
Ha?
Sabihin mo, tumawag ka para sabihin yung joke na yun dahil sabi ng Brew Rats. Okay? Okay.
Love you, Angel.
Yan. Sana makatawag siya kay Casey. Alright, call us up 7062892. I'll pause for a break and then we'll take more of your calls.
Yeah.
We're on?
Yeah, we're on.
Yeah, guys, Defective Radio. It's U92, good to be you. We are Defective, the Brew Rat Show.
You have a friend who's who dropped by.
I know!
She will evaluate the Ateneo jokes.
Okay, she's gonna say like on a scale of 1 to 5.
Maybe she has a Ateneo joke.
Yeah. The banana thing.
Banana thing.
You go to those mics.
Yeah. Is this mic 4 or 5?
The banana
5?
jokes.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello.
There's a DJ here
I don't
also.
hear anything.
We hear you.
Okay, cool. Hello, everybody. Ayan.
DJ Caris.
Now I hear myself.
From
Patty and Carice.
From Shakedown.
Shakedown. Saturdays.
Saturday show.
Saturday mornings, 10 a.m. to 2
Talk about cartoons.
Yes, we do. Among other things.
Okay, you have joke.
It's not an Ateneo joke, but it's a joke.
It's a joke, okay.
Yeah, from my
We will
7-year-old
decide
friend.
it's a Ateneo joke.
You decide. This is for my 7-year-old friend. I have a lot of young friends.
Ooh, kitties.
Yes, hi Bea, if you're listening. I don't know why you're listening to your Tito Ramon
hello.
and your Tito Tado and
Hello.
Tita
Study
Angel.
hard. Hello.
Study hard, even if it's summer. The joke is, how do you make a banana disappear?
You ate by a gorilla.
You eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah, give it to a gorilla.
Sure, but you can also take out the B in banana. B.
B.
Banana.
Yes, it's anana.
Anana.
Ateneo joke.
Right. And then,
Anana.
anana. And then you can make it reappear.
Huh?
Yeah.
You bring back the bee.
Living for a bee.
No.
Or make the gorilla throw up. Do a hand maneuver.
Yeah.
The gorilla.
That's called suka. No, you remove the A in anana.
Anan.
No.
Nana.
No. Nana.
Ah.
Yeah. Nana.
Public
It's
school.
a sound effect.
It's for private school. Exclusive.
Is it an Ateneo joke?
For
Yes.
Private school.
for
Private school.
public school kids don't understand.
Malay mo ba? Baka we know that.
Public school kids.
They'll just play pogs.
Pogs.
That's their toys there.
Ay, yung pog.
Alam ko yung pog.
Or do rap battle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The member of gangs.
Wag naman.
That's why we're not encouraging.
Peacefulness.
Even the use of chonky. We're
Yeah.
discouraging.
That's why we encourage them
Listen to your titos.
to give them joke here only Cartada 4.
Cartada 4.
Yeah. High rating.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
We're gonna take some callers.
Yes.
7062-892.
You tell us if it's funny for 7-year-olds
Or not.
From private schools.
Ateneo private schools.
Bakit ako? Okay, fine. Yes, let's do that.
Sige, we have caller na ba? Yeah, we do. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, who's this?
Aimee.
Aimee
Aimee?
Chan?
Yep.
Good evening to you. You have joke?
Hey, Aimee.
Yes.
Aimee, I have joke.
Yes.
Knock knock.
What? Who's there?
Aimee.
Aimee.
I miss you like crazy.
Hindi naman siya Aimee.
1980s joke, sorry.
She's Aimee.
Aimee.
Kasama ka ba?
Wait lang, mabilis lang
Sige
to.
na,
natawa.
Nakausapon ako.
Oh, go.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Soon to open, Pande Manila.
Soon to open Pande Manila. Who?
1, 2, 3. Soon to open, Pande Manila. Part 2 pa.
Un pasito bailante Maria.
Ricky Martin.
Un pasito
Deturo ang
bailante.
kailangan.
Part 2.
Matindi-tindi
Part
drugs
two,
ang
part
kailangan
two.
yan.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Soon to open, Pande Manila. Bukas sarado pa.
Soon
Soon to open Pande Manila. Bukas sarado pa who?
1, 2, 3. Soon to open, Pande Manila. 2, 3. Bukas sarado pa.
Un pasito bailar. Entonces.
Bye-bye.
Ay, un pasito bailante Maria. Entonces.
Ingat ka sa mga tinted na mga sasakyan sa labas ng bahay. No? Ideya yun. O kaya mga staff ng investigador.
Pero kung bakla yun na taga parang Marikina, yun, papatok yun.
Joke naman bakla.
Yung bang looks like Pepe's meat, but is a gay. Yan, papatok yun. Yung sasayaw-sayaw pa, di ba? Papatok yun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Andyan po siya.
Wala na. She said bye na eh.
Bye-bye, Aimee.
Bye, Aimee.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Aga sawi kay Janice.
Who?
Agasawi kay
Kay
Janice.
Janice.
Agasawi kay Janice. I can hardly speak. I lose all control.
Uy, ma-R&B ka.
Oh, lagi na Bisaya.
Rhythm ng bayot.
Rhythm ng bayot.
Rhythm ng bayot.
Yeah. And again from Apple, the Knock Knock Queen.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
We have another caller.
Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Into.
Sounds like rainy there.
No.
Good evening to you. What's your name?
Edward Maramba.
Edward. Okay. What's your joke?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Tigapagdagdag ng cheese.
Tigapagdagdag ng cheese who?
Tila, ay, na lang.
Wala na.
Tumalon kaya ako sa bangin para lang iyong sagipin. Tigapagdagdag ng cheese.
Oh my god, this is really bad.
Sabihin sa'yo, where's the joke, man?
Where's the joke,
Where's the
man?
joke, dude? Come on, man! Dude! Sabihin ng Ateneo.
Labo, pare.
I'm not gonna give you a ride, dude. Maglakad ka.
Alam ko, kunin ka.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nice joke.
Okay. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Knock knock.
Knock knock who? Yan ba yan?
No. Sinaknak mo ang puso ko. Sinaknak mo ng kutsilyo.
Oh,
Apple, that's Apple
naman.
right there.
Mga Ateneo yan, mga
Thanks,
Ateneo.
Apple.
Pero mga nagtitinda ng mais.
Alright guys, Apple. I'll give you a ride.
Ayun ba, mga tiga-Ateneo?
No, Yatado said when they fight.
When they fight.
Hindi sasakay sa kotse.
Because
the joke,
they do
man?
carpool.
Where's the joke? Madalas si Tado dyan sa Ateneo nag-host ng mga event yan dun. Hello to Dayan. Oh, Dayan, please come here. We're gonna have you as guest. She's the flight attendant I was
Oh,
talking about.
Diane! Come on
Yeah,
over.
she's very, very pretty.
The Brewsters
Yeah.
are so excited
She's my
to
ex,
meet
you know.
Wow.
Yeah.
Right.
Move on, let go. Okay.
Caller? I think we have another caller.
Okay, last caller before the break. Hello?
Whoa.
Hello.
Ayan.
Hello, hello, hello.
Kailangan sabihin, knock lang.
Ano? Ay, bang yun
What
na.
happened?
Okay, I'm gonna pause for a break now. Sustagen with 23 Resistencia builders now gives you free time zone load. Get 30 pesos or 100 pesos of time zone action with every specially marked Sustagen kid or Sustagen school. Be Sustagen built, Sustagen strong. Promo period until May 31st, 2010.
The Brew Rats on U92.
Your Defective Radio.
Yeah, it's Sunday night party here with the Brew Rat Show,
We're,
guys.
we're sharing jokes from Tin Rojas of the Brew Rats Republic Facebook.
Let's hear it!
Add us up. Apo, Lolo, ilang araw na po kayong di kumakain. Baka po lumala ang sakit nyo. Subo na po kayo kahit 2 kutsarita lang. Lolo, loko-loko ka ba? Lugaw nga, hindi ko malunok. Kutsarita pa kaya?
Oh, I think I heard jokes like that when I was...
You're funny, man. You're a funny guy.
Funny man.
You're a funny guy.
Funny,
funny,
give me
man.
5, dude. Give me 5.
Let's watch you up, man.
I'm gonna let you ride, dude. But your yaya, just sakay tricycle. Mag-tricycle na lang si yaya mo, okay?
Puno na tayo, guys. Marami nang sumakay kahit pinababa ko yung iba. Guys,
Guys.
for sila mag-joke.
I told you guys, you gimmick tayo, not with the yaya. Guys, you bring all your yaya, guys.
Oh my gosh. 706282 is our number. U92 FM Radio is our YM. Is that a phone call? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, who's this?
Hi, this is Eljan.
Oh, Eljan.
Eljan.
Long time no see.
Putin.
Long time no see.
Hindi ka nag-volunteer ah.
Nag-volunteer saan?
What?
Yung Comelec, ginamit nila bulag para bumoto eh. Oo.
Hello?
Pinaboto
Ano
nila.
nangyari? Nakabota naman.
Oo, nakaboto. Tinulungan ng BEI.
Hello?
Oh, ano nangyari?
Eljan. Di na.
Eljan.
Eljan.
Eljan?
Asan ka?
Eljan?
Nawala.
Nawala. Asan ka? Sarap na. Bruras, asan kayo?
Oh my God. Sige, let me look over the text line. Kasi ano eh, yung iba joke talaga na mahaba. Okay.
Send your jokes, guy. You type U92 in your cell phone, then space, and then your message, and then send to 8933. That's right.
That's right.
Okay.
8933 is our text line number. May nagtatanong walang sagot. Paano pinapapula ang itlog na pula? Wala naman yung punchline.
Binabasa ko yung mga joke dito sa Facebook. Parang napapasimangot ako.
Baka paglakarin ka. Ang layo-layo na lalakarin mo, Ateneo.
Marami pa naman ako kaibigan doon.
Malayo-layo lalakarin mo.
Sorry guys, I won't read it. Lalakad tayo.
Lihira yung tricycle doon. Isang oras ka maghihintay.
Special pa.
Oo.
Okay. Telephone. 706-2892.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello, DJ Tado.
Yes.
Kamusta?
Oh, sino ba to?
Si Carl. Kaya kilala ko ni DJ Angel. May joke ako.
Hello, Carl. Good evening to you.
Knock.
Who's there?
So many walls.
So many wall. Who?
Ding, 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 ding. Puro ding, ding.
Sinabi ko na
Corny, no?
Sinabi na ni DJ Ramon.
Ano sabi naman DJ
Gino ko na yan.
Oo,
Pero great
kanina.
one of China.
Kasi ko lang nabuksan yung radyo eh.
Okay.
Teka lang,
Laos
may
na.
papakausap pala ako DJ Tado.
Pass the phone.
Parang 90s ka.
Mga tigatin na yun. Galit yan.
Ano yun?
Hindi kasi, kung kilala mo si Jay yung mataba,
Dami akong kilala mataba.
ano mo, si Sendo 666, kilala
Si
mo.
Sendo, oo.
Nandito.
Andyan. Kaya mo
Kinakamusta ka daw niya, boboto ka daw niya.
magpapayat mo na siya.
Sige, sabihan ko.
Sige. Bye-bye.
Like to say hello to my friend, Joanne. Joanne, the Panex girl from Sea Air. She's a stewardess there.
Wow!
She's,
Dami namang
she's sending a
stewardess
knock-knock
friends.
joke, but I don't know the tono of the song. It's an Ateneo song. Pakibati ang mga Jejemon ng Trojan team. Kuya Emmy, Kalo at Noman. Pati na rin mga kapatid ko.
Ba't Jejemon
Charlene
yan?
at Cyrus. Salamat.
What's that Jejemon again? I heard
Yes,
that
Jejemon friends.
last night.
Yung mga nag-JJJJ.
Yeah. Is that a game or is that
No.
expression or what?
Because a long time ago, we have texters, di ba? Dito na po Akyu Kuya.
Yeah.
Now they have a name now. They call them the Jejemon.
You text that way, your Jejemon
Yes.
clan.
Yes. Ayan.
Okay.
From Dubleretes. Knock.
Who's there?
Agatha.
Agatha who?
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be your good day. I kinda like that.
Sige, pare.
Okay, pare.
Okay na, pare.
Hello?
Hello. Good evening.
Who's this?
Tonyo.
Oh, Tonyo.
Knock.
Who's there?
Honda.
Honda who?
Honda first day of Christmas.
Sige, pare.
Sige, pwede.
Ano pa isa?
Ngayon, nakuha mo kami. 4 yan.
Meron pa.
Ano?
Taga-bit-bit ng puto bongbong.
Taga-bit-bit ng puto bumbong hu.
Taga-bit-bit. Taga-bit-bit puto bongbong. Puto bongbong.
Okay.
Sige na.
Masaya, Tonyo.
Salamat.
Tulog ka na, Tonyo. Gabi na.
Bye-bye.
Sama sa buto mo to.
Masama sa puto.
It's 9 o'clock, guys, from our satellite time. We have only an hour.
Sabi ni Jason Geronimo, nag-tweet daw si Drew Arellano, and he said, makulit daw ang Burat.
Pakikinig siya?
Wow!
Drew Arellano!
Wow!
Hello!
Is that the guy from
The pogi
QTV?
guy, yeah.
Yeah, who used to
Ah.
be from Studio 23.
From ano?
That we were there together.
Unang hirit.
I know him. I know him.
Hey, Drew! Kumusta ka na?
I know him.
Atinista ata. Parang Ateneo guys. Ateneo mga joke na to.
I'm not gonna give you a ride, dude.
You listen to Brew Rats? Take a hike, dude. I'm not gonna give you a ride.
Not gonna give you a ride, dude.
Yeah. From Tin Rojas. Teacher. 1. Sagutin mo yung tanong. 1 plus 3. 1. 4 po. Teacher. Very good, 1. O ikaw naman, Pedro. 3 plus 1. Pedro. Ayan na. Pag sa akin, mahirap.
Ayun. Pag akin, mahirap. Doyo.
Okay.
Magpapagpag na lang po ako ng eraser.
Okay. Yan. Pag may mga joke na ganyan, bumababa ang sales ng Chongqing.
Ayan. Kaya
Hindi na kailangan eh.
Tulungan natin ang pideya.
Okay. Sugbuhin ng katiwalian ng droga. Mag-joke ng nakakatawa. Okay. Let's take a caller.
Okay. Hello?
Hello,
Hello, who's this?
this is Christian Garcia.
Oh.
Yeah.
Your voice is sound very, very lonely. Okay. What's your joke?
Yeah, knock knock.
Who's there?
How can I?
How can I? Who?
How can I? Di kita iiwan sa paglakbay.
Ano yung original?
Hawak kamay.
Hawak kamay.
May explain.
May explanation.
Meron pa ako isa.
Dudes,
Knock
your
knock.
joke is parang P6, dudes. May explanation.
Solution.
Yeah, I have another joke.
Go!
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Ginabing cocaine.
Ginabing cocaine.
Ginabing cocaine. Ta-ta-na, just dance. Ginabing cocaine.
Wala na ata sa airplay yung kanta mo. Wala na sa airplay. Hindi ko na alam eh.
Just dance. Gonna be okay. Gonna be cool.
Yun ba yun?
Ingat ka. Ingat ka. Maglalakad ka pa palabas ng Ateneo.
PH na ang pideya sa'yo.
Minaman-manang ka na.
From Rocker MD.
Bye-bye.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Dina Bonnevie, Gary V, Megan Fox.
Yan!
Dami niyan ah.
Ayan ah.
Dina Bonnevie, Gary V, Megan Fox. Who?
Dina Bonnevie, my lover. Gary V with my friends. Megan Fox forever. Friendship never ends.
Maganda yan ah.
Maganda to.
Gusto kong i-save sa telepono ko yan.
Rocker MD.
Magiging life of the party ako yan.
I give it a 5.
Dapat,
Give it a 5.
Dapat pag gano'n yan, pine-perform, kung di ka pa next, hindi yan effective.
Pangit ka.
Pag pangit
Ginawa mo yan. Magugul ka. Parang makakaamoy na mabaho yung mga pinag-jokean mo.
Pang-panext lang yan, at saka bakla. Yan. yung bibigay ng kulay sa tropa. Ay, bakla, mag-joke ka nga. Yan yung joke niya.
Okay.
Di ba meron ka sa tropa? Bakla, halika dito, mag-joke ka nga. Meron kami ganun barkada eh.
Lahat may ganon.
Oo. Pengin mo ng 20.
Tagapagpatawa. Pag naging emo na siya, hindi na siya kakaibigan. Malungkot na siya eh.
Okay, I'll do top of the hour first. Okay, U92, cool to be you.
This is U92, a proud affiliate of All Youth Channels Incorporated. The all-new U92. Cool to be you.
U92, cool to be you. We are the Brettes, and we are back.
Yeah.
Still reading out your jokes. U92 FM radio is our YM. 7062892 is our number.
And you can text us. You type in your cell phone U92 and then just space message, and then send to 8933.
Knock knock from Gilbert Galdones. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Difference and differences.
Different and differences? Okay.
You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story. Pwede na.
Okay. Stress. Sige.
Ay.
Hindi ka mapapakamot ng ulo. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Phone call? Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Who is you?
Ann po.
Ann.
Hello, Ann.
Opo.
Do you have a joke?
Knock-knock joke na ako.
Okay, go knock joke, Ann.
7 plus 7 plus 7, 21.
7 plus 7 plus 7, 21.
Who?
7 plus 7 plus 7, 21.
Anong kanta yun?
Ano yun?
Something like that.
Opo.
Oo, yun.
Yun lang.
Okay,
Hindi ko alam
Ann.
yung kanta.
Thank you, Ann.
Aling kanta yun?
I have knock-knock.
Okay.
Isang sing-sing, tatlong hari.
Isang sing-sing, tatlong hari who?
Aring king. Aring king.
Aring king. Wala sa tatlong hari.
Yung king. Aring king.
Aring king.
Aring king.
Dude, your joke sounds like physics. Man, explanation. Huwag mo sabihin geek ka, dude. Barkadahan lang to, dude.
Masyado ka seryoso, dude. Huwag ganyan.
Huwag ganyan, dude.
Oh. Si DJ Rai. Joke.
DJ Rai. Joke. It's an AB market joke.
Tol, hindi ko alam yung tono nung ano mo eh.
Ang lalim.
I have one. Knock-knock. Who's there? Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga who?
No.
Ra.
Kung Lady Gaga ka sa piling ng iba. Kung Lady Gaga. Ano kaya yung tono nun?
Kung Lady Gaga ka sa piling ng iba. Hindi ko alam eh.
Kung liligaya ka sa piling.
Kung liligaya ka sa piling.
Kung lady.
I don't know.
Liligaya ka sa... Hindi ko alam yan, tol. Parang Imelda Papin yung pagkakakanta dyan eh. Alam ko eh.
Joke failed.
Sige, huwag nga. Sabay. Okay.
What? Sige, phone call na lang. Hello?
Hello. Pwede pa isa?
O, Eljan.
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Danding kuwang ko.
Tanding ko ang kuhu.
Danding kuwang ko. Umiibig sa'yo.
Ginalingan mo pa kumante eh.
Pinaligan niya!
Ginalingan mo pa eh.
Nag-ano?
Eh.
Nag-modulate.
Wala ka bang bulag joke?
Yung pa rin eh, yung joke mo, Sertado.
Pare, tawa tayo. Bulag yan. Tawa tayo.
Baka ma-offend.
Bumubulong.
Nakakatawa eh, dyan.
Oo. Pang-sayon kayo nga eh.
Okay.
Sige, salamat.
Sige.
Bye-bye.
Paano kaya mga bulag pag nag-chonky sila, no? Mahalata kaya nilang binaman-manan sila ng pinaya.
Pare, parang hindi ka. Praning ka lang, pare. Wala naman ako nakikita eh. Oo nga eh, ako rin eh.
Praning.
Pare, parang may nakatingin sa atin. Diyan talaga, oh. Alright, guys. We're 14 minutes past 9 o'clock
Okay,
on our
okay.
satellite.
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Russian patay.
Russian patay. Oh.
Wise men say only fools Russian, but I can't help falling in love.
Oh my God! Panglasing.
Look up, next is coming to our building.
Who's that?
Punta sa Starbucks.
Hindi sa atin.
Hindi sa atin eh. Alam mo, in direction, lumihis eh.
Okay, break muna. Brett will be back.
Anong pangalan mo? Ako po si Jamie.
Anong gusto mo maging paglaki mo?
Artist po. Nagdodrawing.
Jimmy, anong pangarap mo pagtanda mo?
Matulungan pa ang mga magulang po namin.
Paano mo ginagawa yan ngayon?
Tagatakbo ako ng shabu.
childhope.org.ph Kailangan ng...
Showtime. Here are the Brew Rats on U92.
We are
The
cool to
Brats.
you, the Brats.
Tama.
Sunday night party,
Party.
joke time.
Joke time.
It's Joke Thursday. I
It
don't
proves to the
understand.
Pidea that, you know,
We can lessen the use of chonky.
yeah,
and
if we
drugs.
give a nice joke.
Funny jokes. Yeah.
Funny joke.
From makis, illustrismo. Illustrissimo. Use opinion and conclusion in a sentence.
Can you please share your opinion and conclusion?
Yan.
Okay, yeah, okay. That's a nice.
That's nice. Okay. Ito na. Bago ka pumasok ng pinto, dapat opinion. Pero, di ka makakapasok. Conclusion.
Ah! Oh my God.
Pare, got the joke, ha?
Pare,
Pero,
got it,
Understandable kasi simula pa lang ng tagay. Yeah. Kasi simula pa lang ng inuman.
Hello?
Binubuksan, wala pa yung para sa demonyo.
Yun na. Hello.
Hello.
Who's this?
Dalia.
Oh, Dalia!
Abo ng mga artista. You're alive.
Siyempre.
How are you?
Ano, Dalia? Nakagraduate ka na ba o buntis ka na?
Uy, hindi.
Ay, hindi. Tinatanong ko lang, Dalia.
Mabait yun.
Hindi, ikaw. Mabait ka ba?
Tinatanong.
Ikaw ang tanong.
May na.
Oh, sige, inak.
Kinurot ko.
Akala ko sinabi ni Dalia, may anak na. Sabi ko, wow.
Hindi buntis, may anak na.
Sige,
Dali,
sige.
ano yung joke mo?
Ano yun?
Kinurot ko pa plus aswang.
Kinurot ko.
Kinurot ko pa plus aswang.
Okay, who?
Kinurot ko pa pure aswang.
No. Dalia naman.
Ayun.
Dali, okay na tayo kanina eh.
Sinong superhero yung hindi sikat?
Alam ko yan, paborito ko sa text yan eh.
Ayun.
Leslie,
Sino?
sabihin mo.
Jonathan.
Dahil di ko
Hindi,
kilala.
si Arman.
Si Arman.
Si Arman.
Si Arman. Ay, sino yun? Yun na nga. Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Sino yung superhero na green? Oh.
Green Lantern.
Hindi.
Hulk. Incredible Hulk.
Hindi.
Sino?
Si Halaman.
Inom
pa pare, inom.
Ang pangit.
Bakit? May halaman naman na pula, San Francisco. Pula yun ah.
Yung mga San Francisco.
San Francisco. Okay, Dalia.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Nice to hear you again.
Yeah.
I know, after a long time.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Pirated CD.
Pirated CD.
Pirated CD.
A, B, C, D, C, D, C, D, C. Okay. Sorry.
Quarter.
Treskan lang ng dahan-dahan. Treskan.
Oh my God. U92 FM Radio is our YM. Our number is 7062892. Very easy to remember because the last is like U92 892. Okay? Hello.
Hello?
Percy.
Yeah, pa isa pa.
You called earlier.
Yeah.
You know the rules here, right?
You're banned.
Sige na.
1
You're
week.
banned. Okay.
Bye-bye.
It's a crap.
Teacher, from Victor Andrew, si Riban. Mga bata, alam nyo ba na ang bawat butil ng bigas ng palay ay galing sa dugo at pawis ng mga magsasaka? Mga bata, ew!
Ew, it came from the dugo of the magsasaka. Oh my God.
Okay, ito, knock-knock.
Who's there?
Kamuning.
Kamuning who?
Kamuning. Kamuning get me.
Kamuning get me.
Kamuning get me.
Kamuning get me.
Yeah. Never be
M-Y-M-P.
lonely.
Meme. Kamuning.
From Unicio yan, no?
Nakakatawa ka, tol. From Ponzi yun. Ponzi galing yun.
Okay. Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Who's this?
Hello, good evening. This is Ron.
Ron, not the DJ?
No.
Oh, Ron lang.
Not the DJ.
Okay.
Knock.
Who's there?
Pritong saba, pritong mani, sinigang kare-kare.
Pitong saba, pitong mani.
Mani. Sinigang, kare-kare.
Sinigang kare-kare.
Who?
Okay, pritong saba, pritong mani, sinigang kare-kare, hallelujah. Yan. And I have one more.
Okay.
Anong
Umabot
letter
ka.
sa alphabet ang pinakamabaho?
Ano?
Letter H.
Bakit?
Ano ba tunog ng letter H?
Ha?
Oh, di ba? Baho, di ba?
That's really bad. That's a really bad joke.
Kailangan ng ano ba?
Para magmukhang Biyernes Santo yung kausap mo. Yan ang i-joke mo.
One more na lang.
Ano?
Sige, ito. Si Mrs. sabi sa asawa niya. Animal
Basta
kang...
to,
Animal kang lalaki ka. Meron akong nabalitaan. May kabit kang 18 years old. Sabi ni Mister. Huli ka na, no? Balita sa balita mo. 23 years old na siya. Hello. Sabi ni Mister. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
I-encourage mo mga kampo ng kadiliman yan. Pinapababa nga natin ang gamit ng
naman ang
droga.
kabataan.
May pag-asa pa mga kabataan. Okay, mag-alala.
Ito. For Marco Bustamante. Use be cool and I'll buy in a sentence.
Be cool and I'll buy.
Be cool. I want to be cool. And,
So I'll buy a new cell phone.
Yeah.
The tourist went to Mayon Volcano in I'll buy be cool. I'll buy.
Oh my God.
Parang nahirapan ako. Joke.
God.
Send in your jokes, guy. Q92 space and then your message and send to 8933.
8933 and we have a
RYM.
caller. Hello?
We have
Hello?
Who's this?
Anthony.
Anthony.
What's your joke?
Knock knock.
Who's that?
Interrupting dog.
Interrupting. You're a funny guy, dude. I like you.
I like you, man!
I like you, dude.
Oh,
I like you, dude.
Basahan ng
Come on. Get in the car. Get in the car, dude. Get in the car. Bring your yaya, dude. Bring your yaya.
You rock, man! You rock! Tuwan-tuwa sa'yo mga taga-atinista, pare. Taga-atinista.
Ito ba?
Isa pa.
Okay, bye-bye.
May isa pa.
May isa pa.
Dapat ganun kalupit, ha? Bring the house down.
Okay.
Eto, knock knock.
Okay.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Fire a boy.
What?
Fire a boy.
Fire up on who?
Fire a boy. I think that...
Pwede.
Naka-carry over na muna mong joke. Pero tigilan mo na dun.
Sabi, dude, mamaya pa tayo alis, ha?
Pwede ba magbago isip namin, pare?
Mamaya pa tayo alis. Okay na ba yaya mo kahit patay yung kotse na sa loob? Hindi naman siya mainitan, ano? Galing sa Bacolod. Mainit naman talaga dun, di ba? Sige. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Galing naman sa Bacolod.
Okay na pala kayo, guys, no? Bababaan kung pag gusto mo ng drugs, guys, sa inyo. Kung nakakatawa, walang kailangan mag-chonky.
Pangit. Oh my God.
Interrupting dog, ha? Kailan niya sasabihin pagka who's there?
Interrupting the...
Knock, who's there? Interrupting. Yan, nilista ko yan. Jojo ko bukas yan. Sa mga kasalubong ko.
Hello?
Interrupting dog.
Hello, good evening po.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, DJ.
What's your name?
Alan. Yes, may joke pa ako. Sana mabantayan ko man lang. Yun na una sa akin. Kasi magaling eh. Okay, knock knock.
Hindi.
Uod.
Tuhod who?
Uod.
Uod.
Ay, na-joke na yan, eh.
Wala yan, ha?
Tuhod.
Yan ba yung uod mga kapatid?
Ay, wala. Sorry.
Bye.
Bye. Wala eh.
Bye-bye.
God.
Hindi ko nakikinig, eh.
Sa bulagaan yan, eh.
Oh my God, that was... Naiyak ako dun, ah. Hello?
Joke of the night.
Hi, who's this?
Chris?
Hello, who's this?
Si Chris.
Chris.
I have a joke.
What's your joke?
What is the maximum speed of sex?
Maximum speed of sex? What?
I don't know. What?
68.
Bakit? Why?
Kasi pag 69, babalik type ka na.
Hindi ko alam kung dahil napagod tayo dun sa interrupting dog. O, mahina lang talaga.
Mahina
yung
yun.
kanya.
May lag kasi siya eh. Parang may 2-second lag eh.
May P6 na explanation.
Sige.
Sorry,
Joke lang.
pare. We don't have space na in the car.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Ay, parang,
Mag-library ka muna, dude.
parang hisabog.
Library.
Mag-library ka muna, dude.
Okay. From Victor Andrew Siriban. Teacher. Sino si Jose Rizal? Class. Walang sumasagot. Teacher. Sino si Jose Rizal? Aba, walang sumasagot. Pedro, nagtaas ng kamay. Ma'am, baka sa kabilang section siya. Katawa naman.
Masyado mahirap patubahin yung mga...
Mahirap kasi, no?
I'm gonna pause for a break now. Reds will be back.
In need of that quick Central fix? Centro now delivers. Enjoy Centro food at the comfort of your home in your office. Simply call 212-1212 or order online at delivery21.com.
Paano ba kung ngingiti kung ang naririnig lagi ay di mo kaya, wag na lang sa iyong mga labi. Ko ang bagong kabataan, sana ay iyong pakinggan. Ang harap ay nagpupumikas, sisigaw ng malakas. Sana bukas, mabuting pamumuhay. Sana bukas, lahat pantay-pantay. Sana bukas, isang mundong muntian. Sana bukas, kapayapaan. Tayo ang gagawa ng magandang balita. Tayo ang gagawa ng ating bukas. Tayo ang gagawa ng magandang balita. Tayo ang gagawa ng ating bukas. Ano ang pangarap mo? Ba't di sabihin sa mundo? At ako ay tutulong upang matupad ito. Tayo ang maaasahan, gagawa ng paraan. Pangarap ay panili pa rin, sabay-sabay tutuparin. Sana bukas, mabuting pamumuhay. Sana bukas, lahat pantay-pantay. Sana bukas, isang mundong muntian. Sana bukas, kapayapaan. Tayo ang gagawa ng magandang balita. Tayo ang gagawa ng ating bukas. Tayo ang gagawa ng magandang balita. Tayo ang gagawa ng ating bukas. Yeah, ha, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Speak out your dream, your goal, your vision. Raise up your voice and people will listen. Say something fresh, you know it makes sense. Now rock the world with confidence. Sana bukas, mabuting pamumuhay. Sana bukas, lahat pantay-pantay. Sana bukas, isang mundong muntian. Sana bukas, kapayapaan. Tayo ang gagawa ng magandang balita. Tayo ang gagawa ng ating bukas. Tayo ang gagawa ng magandang balita.
Brew Rats on U92.
Yeah, we are the Brats once again, once more.
Yeah. Watching TV causes dandruff.
Yeah, you know what? I wonder how many jokes can you take in. Sometimes you get busog na.
Yeah, and then you stop laughing,
Yeah,
right?
and then it's nakakapagod na to.
Oo nga.
Is there a scientific experiment with that?
Like sa sobrang tawa ng tawa, busog ka na.
Or
like
a few
endurance.
minutes of laughter.
Yeah. Endurance test.
Kung sinong pinakamatibay.
Matibay tumawa.
The longest joke. How about the Guinness? Is there 3 days laughing?
Tuloy-tuloy or not laughing?
Tuloy-tuloy laughing.
Hindi na natural.
Dapat tumatawa talaga na ano.
There's this exercise I read. It's like a laughing exercise. It's like group of people, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all laugh together.
That's so weird.
Professional laughers like that.
Yeah, I forget the name of the group. They said that laughing is like best exercise.
For the face.
Like, I thought they're performers.
No.
3, 2, 1, tawa. Ha 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 ha.
No, they're just tuloy-tuloy.
Okay.
All together.
So it's like laughter therapy. Ganun.
Yeah. They
Like an
claim
exercise.
it's like it's an exercise.
Well, I think it exercises your face muscles because my cheeks, they hurt if I keep laughing tuloy-tuloy. So, I'm
Yeah.
sure.
But I think, okay na ako. Parang okay na ako. Sa workout natin.
Yeah.
Bukas ulit, guys.
Bukas ulit.
Rest muna.
Di ba in Japan, they have that show, that game show, wherein a bunch of Japanese do really funny things and then the contestants, kailangan wag silang tumawa. Dahil kapag tumawa sila, may parang consequence na gagawin sa kanila.
Like laugh control exercise.
Yeah, but what the other Hapons do are just really funny that they always end up laughing and they always have to do the consequence. Yeah, I'm gonna try to look into that link.
How about that laughing gas? Is that effective?
I think so.
How
laughing gas?
So it's like chonky.
No.
How come that it's a chemical and then it makes you laugh?
Sometimes it's used to sa ospital, sa mga dentista.
Ganon? Sa dentista?
Oo, parang konti na ganon, parang pampa-relax yata.
How can you?
Just the small doses.
It's a gas.
Yeah, it's a gas.
It's a spray, then they will spray to you.
Yeah. And you will inhale it.
Ganon yung ginagawa ni Joker nung unang mga Batman cartoons. Papakawala ng laughing gas. Tumatawa yung commissioner. It's laughing gas! Let's go, Batman! Tawa sila. Hello to Josh Garcia, ang boyfriend ni Dayan. Napakapalad mo, tol. Sabi ni Dayan. Okay. Let's take caller.
Okay.
Let's see if we can still laugh.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, who's this?
Hi, si Angel, si Mario Kuda.
Ulit.
Ano yung joke mo kanina?
Yung kay Villar at saka yung...
Oo. Natama ba tayo doon?
Hindi. You call only once.
Lang yung binigay niya
Band ka na.
Once a night.
Hindi, yung tinutukoy ni DJ Angel.
Laughing gas?
Yung sa Japan, yung kokontrolin yung pagtawa. Yun yung yung Gaki no Chungay. Yung pag natawa yung contestant, papaluin sila nung parang...
Is that in the library?
Meron.
Yeah, I saw that.
Nasa YouTube.
Mas
in the
maganda
YouTube.
yung sa hospital
Parang kayo sa library.
kaysa sa library.
Sige, sa hospital.
Try nyo na lang
Nasa
panoorin.
YouTube yan.
Ha?
Nasa YouTube?
Nasa YouTube.
Sige.
Gaki no Chungay.
Post mo. Ang hirap tandaan.
Sige, mamaya.
Sige.
Tama.
Okay.
Salamat.
Yeah. Ay, it's nakakapagod nga to keep laughing.
Nangyari tayo dun kay
Si Rar?
Laughing daw. Pero minsan, sometimes, the jokes, the right jokes at the right time. Because that rare thing, might not be funny when at some other time.
Yeah.
Baka tanghali. Baka may pang-tanghali na joke.
Oh.
Iba yung tawa mo sa tanghali eh.
And also, there's a demographics.
Yan, like that. That's what you're talking about, Ateneo.
About this science of jokes and comedy. This your friend Stan
Alichi.
and this the guy Mike.
Mike Unson.
Yeah.
The front.
They know these things.
Yeah. They can read their audience because they're stand-up comics and they can adjust their.
Yeah, what? It's not just they study.
And they have. Have you seen their notebooks?
No.
It's like a complicated thing.
Ganon?
They have the jokes there and then when to say them. And they have like notes
Grabe naman yun.
depending on the situation.
Nitrogen dioxide po yung laughing gas from Marlon of Caloocan.
Ayun! It's used for racing cars.
Nitrogen dioxide?
It's, NOS. It's that thing,
No
NOS.
way! Yung NOS yung laughing
it's
gas?
injected into, di pala sa but it can be bought in dental supplies.
So kapag nag-leak yung NOS mo, tawa ng tawa yung driver?
Siguro.
That's weird.
Pero it's like super compressed form. Okay, let's take caller.
Okay. Hello? Nana. Hello, Brurats. Pakibati naman ang Miriam College Glee Club. Tsaka ang mga batch 0809 ng SJCS. From Rhea. Okay. Start now. Hello? Hi. Are you deaf?
May delay.
Man. May delay ba yun? O nagpapatugtog lang siya ng music?
You're not making patugtog loud enough for us to hear.
Tama. Sherwin says, hi, Rats. Laughing gas nga is nitrous oxide. Laughing gas is nitrous oxide, he says. Gamit siya sa dentistry at surgery.
Yun. Ito na eh.
Not dioxide. Used for sedation, sabi ni Raymond Lozano.
So it's downers.
Pag hindi cooperative or may allergy.
Sa anis.
Ano yung anis?
Ayoko.
Laughing gas ang ginagamit. Anesthesia! But anis? Is that like the...
For nursing people.
For nursing? Lagyan mo ng anis. Hindi naman talaga yung anis ko eh. Anesthesia. From Lord RJ. Okay, anis Sounds like honest. Ay, nako.
Yan. Telephone naman, nag-ring. Ay, Inday, sagutin mo nga yung telepono. Baka kabit yan ng kuya mo. Inday. Ate naman, pinagsisilos pa ako.
Oh my God.
So, from Victor Andrew Siriban again. Tay, may assignment kami. Find the least common denominator daw. Tay. Nung elementary ako, assignment na namin yan. Hindi pa ba yan nakahanap? Ay, naku.
Pang-tatay.
Tatay, oh. Mga pang-tita na joke. Yung appear nila may buwelo. Bowling.
Okay, I'll pause for more commercials. Brurettes will be back.
On May 1st, Saturday, go the extra mile and run for a better Philippines as we celebrate the working Filipino at the first annual Labor Day Run. Take on the distance of 3K and 5K race starting at the Katipunan Circle, Bonifacio, Global City. Entry forms are available at ROX, Bonifacio High Street, and Figaro Coffee at Emerald Building, Pasig City, and Tomas Morato, Quezon City from April 22 to 30. Register now and get a free Labor Day Run 2010 souvenir shirt from Rome, Philippines. The first annual Labor Day Run is presented by Rome Philippines and Solar TV. Special thanks to the Philippine Daily Inquirer, PinoyExchange.com, Inquirer Libre, Friendster, official social channel, and U92. For more info about the event, log on to takbo.ph.
United International Pictures, Paramount Pictures, Marvel Entertainment, Solar Entertainment Corporation, and U92 present the special first day screening of Iron Man 2.
Our priority is to get the Iron Man weapon turned over to the United States of America.
I am Iron Man. The suit and I are one.
Catch it at the Greenbelt 3 Cinema 5 on Friday, April 30 at 7:30 p.m. the special movie event powered by Smart Buddy, Mina Mi Talaga, and Sunsilk Damage Repair Shampoo. It repairs hair para balik ganda in just 10 days. I hope you're ready. Come on! Iron Man 2 on You at the Movies, a blockbuster film feature from the coolest station this summer, U92.
3, 2, 1. Showtime. Here are the Brew Rats on U92.
U92, cool to be you, 9:51 on the clock, still 9 minutes to go before the Night Fix with Jimmy Muna.
Last few jokes.
Saturday night party, guys.
Bakit sikat si Sadako?
Bakit?
Bakit?
Sadako. Yeah, ano Sadako?
Kasi lumalabas siya sa TV.
Sadako.
Sabi na sa Brurat Facebook na wala na.
It's funny.
Yeah. Ano yan?
Yeah.
Si Victor, si Rivan.
Sabi ni Tin Yoshi, ano uli yung joke kanina na sobrang tawa kayo ng tawa? Nagbukas ako ng gate hindi ko naabutan. Too bad, Tin! It was funny. It's like a moment thing.
Ang ganda ng delivery niya. Live pa eh.
Ang ganda eh. Parang kakagatin niya talaga si Tato eh. That was really funny.
It's what the F? What the F?
Na-imagine ko na. Paano sabihin yan.
Oh my God, sige. Hello?
Hi, DJ Angel.
Who's this?
Ballpen.
Oh, si Ballpen!
Haven't we banned you?
Ay, hindi. Nung nakaraan pa yun eh.
Nakaraan pa.
Sinabi mo, iba pangalan eh.
Tapos na yung ban niya. Yung nakaraan pa.
Manood ba ang Iron Man bukas?
Meron.
Hindi ba nanonood kayo bukas?
Kami? Oo.
Okay. Good.
Bakit? Nanalo ka ba?
Yep.
Saang show?
Kay Cheska.
Oh boy, nanalo kay Cheska.
Pa-help naman.
Pa?
Pa-help.
Ano? Pa-help?
Hindi, ano eh. Kumbaga, pengilan ano kasi, how can I make Ate Lou curly? She's nagalit sa akin.
What's your kasalanan?
I promise something na hindi ko natupad. Yeah.
Wala na yun.
Ganito gawin mo. Mag-promise ka na mag-promise.
Tapos?
Oh, masasanay din yun na hindi natutupad.
Okay, sige. Good night.
Sige.
Okay, more power.
Ganda naman yung advice ko ah.
Ganda nga. I-establish mo na isa ka talagang hindi maasahan.
Oo. Yan yun.
Oh my God. Hi. It's like you feel tired after all of this. It's like I want to go to sleep na.
Nag-joke kasi.
Kaya din ako.
Hindi, kasi marami din jokes na nakakatawa.
That's right.
Okay.
This Iron Man, there's a two Iron Man?
No.
The black guy and the red guy?
Nakalaban?
Kind of. Kind of.
It's a premiere. And Tados gonna, hindi mo panoorin.
Hindi. Merong parang merong ang parang isa pang Iron Man dun sa trailer. Parang
hindi
dalawa
ka manonood.
sila.
Isa-spoiler mo yan eh.
Oo nga, buto na lang.
Hindi, papakwento mo kay Leia, babe.
Kaya nga.
Mas malala yun, kwento lang.
How about the Shutter Island? You watch it? Leonardo DiCaprio is the insane guy. He's insane.
Well, you know what? Na-spoil na yan sa akin eh. So, the rest na nag-damage.
It's Ewan McGregor. Ewan McGregor.
Oh my gosh. You know what? I think it's time for...
Ooh. Yeah, guys.
Hi. It's another weekend na naman.
Nakapagod din.
Nakakapagod.
Yung buong linggo yung nakakapagod. Okay lang, masaya naman. Kung napagod ka sa tawa, okay lang din eh.
Yeah, laughter's the best medicine naman, di ba? Sabi nila.
Yeah.
So it should be pretty good.
If laughter is the best medicine, if laughter is we are drugs.
I know why.
We are drugs.
I know why laughter is the best medicine.
Why?
Maybe because they're referring to Chonky. Because you're gonna have laugh trip, right? Maybe we should ban that kasabihan. That laughter is the best medicine.
Because we're chonky?
No. Because the chonky will cause them to laugh. And they're actually referring to chonky.
Uh-huh.
So it's really a bad message. Some sort of like a rock song when you backmask. There's devil messages. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. okay.
Ang hirap ang explanation.
Ang hirap na.
Wala akong simple lang.
Sige.
Tama.
Okay.
So we'll kita-kits na lang tomorrow at the premiere.
Saan ba?
Greenbelt 3.
Ano ba yung 3?
Yung social lahat naman eh.
Let's ask our Ateneo friends to let's take a ride.
Para pasabay. Joke ka muna, pare.
Oh, and hey, tomorrow's payday. It's 30. So, good luck sa traffic papuntang
Anong oras ba
Makati. 9:30.
Gabi pa pala eh.
Syempre. But that's kind of the yaring time.
Alas ka ng bahay ng 7, dating ka doon 9.
Nako, hindi ka na makakapark sa Greenbelt nun. Kailangan go an hour
Diyan naman
before.
yung friends natin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should be a good movie. So, okay, Monday na lang
Nanay
ulit.
ko.
Oo nga,
Extra.
DJ Tado, DJ Ramon's mom is in that movie.
They're
Yeah!
part of being, the crowd being destroyed.
Eh, we will just buy a DVD and post it.
Oh.
And then,
Mapapas natin. Yeah.
and then, post it in our Facebook.
Okay, DJ Ramon's mom. Let's encircle.
Yeah. So, thank you very much, guys. Thanks for sending us jokes. Kahit corny joke. Makatawa pa rin.
Ayan
Okay,
yun.
we'll be watching.
Pangalan ng pideya sa mga hindi nakakatawan jokes. PH na sila sa inyo. Tamang hinala.
Okay. Again, once more, Radio's Not Effective. I'm DJ Ramon Bautista.
I am DJ Angel.
Thank you for having me here, guys.
DJ Tado, our guest for tonight. We are the Barats.